If you've ever spent 5 minutes looking for investing advice on Reddit, a Facebook group, or even YouTube, you've probably run into this exact phrase, VWCE and Chill. It's treated like a religion for European investors. The idea is simple: one fund, one click, you own the entire world. It's the gold standard. It's supposed to be perfect, but here's the thing: I don't use it. On the surface, it looks like I'm making my life harder for no reason. Why buy two things when you can buy one? Well, if you're starting with a small portfolio like mine, every decision feels way bigger than it probably should. When you only have €1,000 or €2,000, you feel like one wrong move could break your future. Today, I'm going to show you the math that convinced me to ditch the lazy king of ETFs. We're going to talk about lower fees, the power of control, and why a tiny 0.09% difference today isn't just a number, it's an all-inclusive family vacation or a decent used car waiting for me in 30 years. Let's break it down. If you're new here, let's get the elephant out of the room. My portfolio is currently sitting at around €1,690. I'm not standing in front of a rented Lamborghini, and I'm not telling you how I made millions in crypto. This is real life. I have an average income, I have family expenses that seem to grow every week, and I invest what's left at the end of the month. This is exactly why this fee conversation matters so much. When you have millions, a 0.1% fee is just a line item. But when you're building from the bottom, you don't have money to waste on convenience fees or complicated strategies that eat your profits. First, let's give credit where it's due. VWCE, Vanguard FTSE All-World, is a masterpiece of simplicity. Inside this one fund, you have over 3,500 companies. You own Apple, Microsoft, Nestle, and Toyota all at once. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it fund. If you have a high-stress job, zero interest in looking at charts, and you just want to be done with it, VWCE is your best friend. Recently, Vanguard even lowered the fee to 0.19%. But there's a catch. With VWCE, you are a passenger. The fund decides that the US is 60% of your money. It decides you must own emerging markets. You have no say in the matter. You are paying for the privilege of not having to think. But is that thinking fee worth it for a small investor? My strategy splits the world into two specific parts. First, 60% goes into VUAA, S&P 500. This covers the 500 biggest companies in the US. The fee? A tiny 0.07%. Second, 40% goes into EXUS, world excluding USA. This covers the rest of the developed world, Europe, Japan, Canada, without the US. The fee is 0.15%. When you do the math for my 60-40 split, 0.60 times 0.07% plus 0.40 times 0.15% equals 0.10%. So my fee is 0.10%. That is almost half of what VWCE charges. Now, call me a cheapskate if you want, and you'd be right. But I'm not being cheap because I'm greedy. I'm being cheap because I'm an optimizer. And the best part? If I decide tomorrow that I want more Europe or more US, I just change my monthly deposit ratio. I don't have to sell anything. I have the dial in my hand. I am the pilot, not just a passenger. Let's look at the actual battle of numbers. Let's say I stay consistent. I start with my €1,690 and that I will add €100 every single month for the next 30 years. We'll assume a standard 8% average market return. Option A, the VWCE path. After 30 years, you end up with €161,400. Option B, my combo path. After 30 years, you end up with €164,400. That is a €3,000 difference. Think about that. That €3,000 didn't come from working extra hours. It didn't come from a lucky stock pick. It came from clicking buy twice instead of once. That's 30 months of my hard-earned deposits that I get to keep. It's an all-inclusive family vacation that Vanguard wanted to keep, but I decided to keep instead. But what if life gets better? What if my career grows and I can invest €150 a month? In that scenario, my combo grows to €237,600. And I've saved €4,500 in fees. That's a used car for my kids or a major home renovation, all because of a 0.09% difference. A lot of people say, TSA, you're overthinking it. Just buy VWCE and relax. And for some, that's right. But when you're starting small, your efficiency is your only advantage. The big institutional investors have high-speed computers and billions of dollars. I have €100 a month and a brokerage app. My only way to beat the system is to be more efficient with my costs and more disciplined with my plan. For me, spending an extra 60 seconds a month to buy 2 ETFs instead of one is the highest paying minute of my life. I am literally earning hundreds of euros per hour of work if you look at it that way. So, what's your style? Are you a VWCE and Chill person who values simplicity above everything? Or are you a cost cutter like me, willing to do a little bit of math to keep more of your future? There is no wrong answer, as long as you are investing. But for me, the 2 ETF combo is the clear winner for my road to 100K. Drop a comment below and let me know, what's your lazy king or your favorite combo? I read every single comment, especially from those of you who are also starting with small portfolios. And if you want to see the actual update of my €1,690 portfolio and see exactly what I bought this month, watch this video right here. I'll see you in the next one. Keep investing, stay grounded, and watch those fees.